Welcome to the GRAD Partnership. It's a very fun and exciting place to be. My name is Bob Balfance, and I'm the director of the Everyone Graduates Center, and I'm going to talk to you today about DRIVER2, which the technical term for what DRIVER2 does is produce cool stuff. We're really the driver that's focusing on helping schools have the tools and materials they need to have a high quality implementation of student success systems. And really the genesis of our work, or the thing that sort of shapes and drives our works, are two things we know to be true from working with the schools for many years on trying to help them build variations of student success systems. One is that everybody has got some sort of student support system in place already, where there's very few places where we're actually building from scratch. And secondly, the best system a school is going to have is the one they're going to create. So when we create our tools and materials, we're looking to really create things that are our idea generators for school teams, our resources to help them, to help if they have a challenging problem, they can go look at some stuff that other folks have done to see how other folks have tackled it, and also give us some tools so they can just ask themselves, do I have a high quality system, or could it be improved? So one of the very first things we created was a team reflection tool, which lets each school team ask itself a series of guiding questions about the 4 key areas of student success systems: relationships, data, actions and interventions and improvements, the improvement system, and mindsets. And they can sort of see, how they're doing, where they might want to focus to improve, and do it a step at a time. And the other key thing about that tool, and exemplifies how we do our work in DRIVER2, is that really all 9 organizations helped inform that. We created a writing team that involved groups from about 4 or 5 organizations that did a lot of the heavy lifting, but they got input and insights from the whole collaborative of all our 9 organizations, and then input from people outside in the field as well. And that really speaks to the other key thing that the DRIVER2 has done so far. Was our very first thing was build our definition of what is a student success system in 2023. And that again was a thing that involved all 9 organizations and a lot of the field, and went through, I think, at least 15 versions, which is another thing to know about how we create stuff in our driver, which is it's highly iterative, and it keeps improving and learning and getting better from our collective insight. So we really are excited for you to join us and provide that collective insight, and really help us create those things schools can use to do this work well. If you want to find our stuff, it's in the basic drive everyone has been showing you, and you just look for DRIVER2, and there's where you'll find our materials. We actually have a learning from the field. We've shifted to meeting only quarterly for the whole team, and having small groups do focused work in between, because folks were telling us it's really great to talk and meet with everybody, but we need time to do the work. So we organize ourselves to have time to do the work, and then time to reflect as a whole team and learn from everybody. You can, if you need to reach me, my email is here. And also, if you want questions just about when DRIVER2 is meeting, or how to join, or how to participate, Amanda Martirano is our coordinator for this from the Everyone Graduates Center. And that's another great contact to have. And also just to get, if you have questions on where to get access to the various things we've created already. Thank you, and welcome aboard.